we have here a pair of pants that are otherwise great, but they have a little bit of a hole in the upper leg area. And we think it might be a great idea just to repair them so that nothing happens, so that they don't stretch it, don't run anymore. So we're going to take a needle and put it through, making the smallest hole that we can. And we already have a knot in the thread. Pull it up like that and come in grasping just the smallest amount of material that we can and pull through. We go now down a little bit more of the rest of it. See, there's the hole. So now just a little bit more of the rest of it. Smallest amount of material that we can and pull it through. Once again, move my hand down so that it's more easily grasped. Smallest amount of material I can. Let's see it from the other side. We have a tiny, tiny, tiny little repair here, but in the flow of the pants, it's not going to be noticed. Now we come back here, knot it, so it doesn't come out. Probably do it one more time. Okay, now we're going to cut off this, and we also still have a knot here, so that's up to each individual, but I would personally cut this a lot closer, and I did. Turn it over. Knot is gone, and